Hello. So we are going to enhance image quality using image super resolution using Python. So first of all, you need to download a Python distribution that is called Anaconda. So you need to download Anaconda first. Here is the download file. You can click on this and download. I have already downloaded it. I'm not going to download it again. Okay. After installing Anaconda, you need to set up environment first for your code. Okay, so to set up environment, the first step is to create conda prefix. Okay, so you need to open anaconda command prompt, right click on this and run as administrator, and then copy that code and paste it here. Press the enter button. It will collect package metadata. So to proceed, you need to hit in Y and press enter. It is downloading necessary files. So the environment is activated now. Go to the C drive where I created this folder in the command prompt. If I open this, then all the command prompt and all the environments is sit here. Okay, now go to your conda prompt again, and this is the base environment. You need to activate this environment. Okay, so copy this code. Please do not copy the dollar sign and paste it here and press the enter. It will activate the created environments as we created C drive. Okay, now the second step is to install torch. So you need to copy this code from here and go to your command prompt and paste it here and press the enter button. It will collect package metadata, and to proceed press Y and press enter. It is downloading and extracting packages. It will take much time because the PyTorch is 590 MB. It will give you errors, but don't worry, you should to try again and again. It gives me errors 2 times, so I tried it again, and it will done now. It is almost done, 96%. You can see it again give me an error, and it is give me message you probably need to delete and re-download or recreate this file. So I have give a command again and try to download these files again and install. So it is asking me that the following packages will be installed. You need to press Y and press enter. It is preparing transaction. Verifying transaction done, and it is executing transaction. It is done. Okay, after installing that package, you need to download and install the next package. Install image libraries. So copy this code and paste it here. It is collecting metadata, and it will download these files. Then you need to press Y and then enter. Files are downloading. And it is done. Now the next dependency is install Wisdom. So you need to copy this code and paste it here. Press enter. It is collecting information. I will download these files. Then you need to press Y button from the keyboard and press enter. Downloading the required files. So now see the next dependency. Right here install uh, Python dependencies. Then you need to copy it from pip install Zedect and below. So copy this and paste it here. Press the enter button. So the pillow is not installed. You need to manually type install pillow pip install pillow. So it installed. Now it's done. Now the next step is to search a path. So first of all you need to copy. I will provide the code to you. You need to copy it and paste it to the created environment. So this is our created environment. So we need to paste it here. This is your code. So we are going to search path manually. Go to your environment folder you have created in C, and then go to a project folder and then lab and copy this path. Control C. Now in the search type environment variable. Click on this and click on environment variable. Here click on new and type Python path and paste the path here. Okay, and press the OK button, then OK. Now to check Python path, you need to copy this code, paste it here, press the enter button, and you can see now you need to close Anaconda prompt and reopen them. So right click on this one, run it administrator, then copy this code again, Control C and paste it here. You should see your search path environment variable path browse master lib. Okay, now this is normal environment, so you need to activate your created environment again. Conda activate and copy your created environment path and paste it here. Now you are in your created environment. Now let's check that our packages and environment everything is ready or not. On the list, so these are all packages, libraries and everything required for our project is ready. Okay, so inshallah in the next video we will discuss and work further on this project. Thanks for watching.